Welcome to the video, everyone. Thanks for joining me today. I hope everyone is well, staying safe. Cool new video. We've had some updates from Helium 10 over the last few days. Some very exciting new software tools that have been launched by Helium 10. This one is going to be looking at how to level up your review game. And guys, this is a free tool for you to use. So make sure you stay tuned until the end. Enjoy the video. Comment below if I've missed anything. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Right guys, welcome to the video. Thanks for joining me today. It's been a week or so since I posted a video, and it's because I have been waiting with bated breath for the new launch from Helium 10. They've launched a lot of new software, 9 different ways, multiple different pieces of software to help you improve your Amazon game. Some are free, some come part of the paid package, but we're going to be talking about one of the free ones in this first video. So I'm going to be releasing a sequence of videos over the next few weeks, looking at breaking down how these pieces of software work. Now, I'm also updating the training to make sure that we've got all these new software additions incorporated in much more depth. So if you are a student, make sure you head over to the portal for the Elite Academy and check those new videos out. Now, one of the first introductions in their new seminar that they released, which some of you may have watched if you are signed up on their email list, was a way to help you level up your review game. Now, if you're an Amazon seller, we all know that reviews are one of the most important parts of a listing to help it convert, whether it's organic conversions or conversions through paid search, PPC. You need to have reviews. The proportion of visitors to a listing that drop off or don't even look at a listing or filter the listing so it only shows 4 stars or more is huge. I believe it's like 65 or 70% of sellers will not buy a will not buy a product that's under 4 stars. So reviews are huge. Now people, including myself, when I started selling on Amazon, right, you're quite worried when you send these requests and you're trying to write a good copy, trying to converse with the customer to ultimately get them to leave you a review. But as we know, Amazon are very strict. They want an unbiased platform where people aren't coerced into leaving reviews. Nothing is done that breaches terms of service, and they want their platform to be clean, squeaky clean, and reviews to be genuine and authentic. Which means there's lots of ways you can trip up when you are requesting reviews from customers, right? Ways that can leave you with a temporary suspension on your account, which obviously we don't want, especially when we're a new seller. And it's just a bit of a minefield, right, guys? It's quite intimidating when you're trying to write a request for a review. So Helium 10 recognized that, and they wanted to combat that and provide you guys with a free, and it is free, completely free, Chrome extension called the Seller Assistant Chrome extension, which will help you level up your review requests. Now, at the moment, there are multiple ways that you can request reviews. You can do it through the Amazon portal, which works quite well. You can have a follow-up email software, like a sequence of emails that is released over a number of days with, for example, Feedback Genius or Feedback Whiz. There's lots of software companies that you can use for that. But this is a nice, easy way that you can integrate with your Seller Central that just works, very well. So at the end of this video, you can go back to this section of the video and you can download the Chrome extension. So literally go into your Google Chrome, search for helium10.com/seller extension in the URL bar at the top, in the search bar at the top, or you can go directly to this page here in the Chrome Web Store and you can add that to Chrome. Now it just means it's going to sit on the top right of your screen, like my ClickFunnels and Jungle Scout and my Helium 10 that I use myself, the full package. But ultimately, what it's going to do is going to integrate with your Manage Order page, and it's going to mean that you can go into your Seller Central and you can you can send review requests directly to your customers. Now, the great thing about these buyer-seller messages that it will include your ASIN, the product, it's personalized, it's customized, and it means that there's no gray area. It's already done for you. You don't have to write the review request. It will ask on your behalf for seller feedback and for a review from the buyer of the product. Now, like I mentioned, some people aren't comfortable writing these themselves, so why not integrate this software if it's free, and you can do it all from this portal. Now, there's lots of ways to get into trouble when you are asking for reviews. You can't ask for positive reviews, for example. You can't offer people a discount in exchange for a review. All these things you might not have realized that you can't do, and you'll send an email within Seller Central, and you'll have a performance notification because you've made a mistake. Now, it's not your fault you've made a mistake, because there are so many terms, so many ways to breach terms of service with regard to reviews. For example, one way, which is a little bit separate on a tangent here, but you can have a performance notification for breaching or manipulating your BSR by saying that you are a certain ranking in your listing, or by offering a discounted product to an existing customer. It's looked at as a breach of or manipulation of BSR. Now, these things are, unless you've got the 400-page document out for terms of service for Amazon, it's probably more than that. You're reading through all the sections. You're not going to know what you can and can't do. So this is a nice way to bypass that, and it will mean that you've got peace of mind when you're sending these. Now, one of the great things about this tool is it's free, is one of the first really good things, but also you don't have to send these requests individually. You can actually bulk send them. So you can send 100 requests at the same time. I remember when I first started, 4 years ago, I literally used to go through every order, click on the order, go into the order, request review, and I had to do it over and over, and you had to go through like 5 windows to get to the point. It's changed a bit now, but it took hours. And here you can send them all at once. So if we scroll down, we can see here, sending 8 out of 73. Now, when you are doing this, you need to make sure that you won't be able to send the review request unless it's after 5 days from the day that it's purchased and before the 30-day window has passed. So between 5 and 30 days, you'll be able to send these out to your customers to increase those all-important review figures. So that's it, guys. I mean, it's free. There's no reason not to use it. Integrate it into your Seller Central, give it a spin, see what you think. Comment below if you think that it's that it doesn't work very well, that there's flaws with it. Let me know what they are. I'll reach out to Helium 10 and we can look at addressing those. But from my experience with using this, it's worked really well. So hope you guys found that useful. This is number 1. They've released 9 new ways to improve your Amazon game, to level up with how they're marketing it. Level up your Amazon game. So I'll be releasing more videos moving into the future over the next few days and weeks to help you guys with getting to grips and wrapping your head around how these new tools work. So hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one.